In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use DeepSeek R1 to automatically translate subtitles in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, DeepSeek was released sometime last week and it's the in thing right now in terms of AI. And is it possible to add the DeepSeek model option in automatic translation tools? This was a question more or less of an issue that was asked sometime last week on the GitHub page of Subtitle Edit. So DeepSeek translation is effective and affordable. So you can use the beta. Back then, the version that I have, Subtitle Edit 4.0.11, was not yet released, but now it has been released, and you can use DeepSeek to translate your subtitles. All you need to do is just install Ollama and then run DeepSeek from command and all that. Just make sure that Ollama is running when you want to use it. So let's scroll down. Anything new? Nothing new there. But there was also another more or less issue where Ismail wants to see if it's possible to have a DeepSeek AI plugin, and from his questioning, or when he asked DeepSeek, they said that it can be integrated. Subtitle Edit supports C plugin. You could write a plugin that uses DeepSeek's API to process subtitle text. Add a button or menu item in Subtitle Edit to trigger grammar or style checks. So more or less something that goes in those lines and goes ahead to provide all the information as required. Maybe someday it will be seen, but as it is, in Subtitle Edit 4.0.11, you can use DeepSeek via Ollama. So obviously you can see how it's being set up. As much as it's not on what Ismail wanted, for like to check grammar and style, edit time codes etc. Hopefully someday it's going to be available, maybe as a plugin or just a functionality or feature. So what we need to do is just download Ollama, and I'll just click on download for Windows, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. So depending on your internet speed, this may be just a quick, just straight up one quick download, or will probably take some time. The file is about 745 MB, so we'll give it a couple of minutes, and then once it's done, I'm going to show you how to kinda install it and all that. So as it downloads, maybe you're wondering what is DeepSeek. So DeepSeek R1 is more or less of a reasoning large language model, and it's the new rage right now, and it can do a bunch of things right here. Now the version we're going to be downloading is R1, the version that you access via the web interface. If I click on that, and they are getting a ton of kinda large scale malicious attacks, so that's why it might take some time here. If you're trying to register, it may be busy, but if you already have an account, you can log in. So the chat version or the web version is using version 3, more or less, DeepSeek v3. Here we're going to be working with R1 on our end. So that is what we're going to give some time to work on, and more or less, let's see, it's on performance on par with OpenAI's O1. It's so cheap. I believe they mentioned that they spent about 5 million USD. I'm sure OpenAI spent in the billions to make those AI models, and it's more or less, as I've mentioned, a reasoning model, so it kind of reasons out what is going on. So is there anything of importance here? Maybe if you'd like to read or you fancy reading, then you can do that, but as it is, let's wait for Ollama to be done downloading, and then we can install it and then continue. The Ollama setup is almost done downloading. Now it took a little bit of time, so depending on your internet connection, this may be just a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes of wait time before you can install it on your computer. So it's done downloading, and there we go. I can just go to the folder, and it's right here, and I can just right click on it, run as administrator, and then I'll follow the on-screen prompts. Do you want to allow this app to make any changes to your device? Yes. And then I'll get this dialog box. Set up Ollama version 0.5.7. Ollama, let's get you up and running with your own large language models. Click install to continue with the installation. So I'll just click install. It's going to extract the files onto your computer and just go through the paces as it should, the way it's been programmed to do. So this probably takes more or less 1 to 2 minutes, depending sometimes on the resources on your computer, how fast or how good your RAM is, other processes running, and so on and so forth. But that is step number 1, downloading and installing Ollama on your laptop or your computer. So let's just give it a couple of seconds because it's almost done. So there we go. It's kind of done. If I click here, you'll see Ollama right here, and you can view logs or quit Ollama. Now, the next step, I'll go back to the Ollama website and click on models. Now, once I click on that, the most popular model at this time is DeepSeek R1. DeepSeek's first generation of reasoning models with comparable performance to OpenAI O1, including 6 dense models distilled from DeepSeek R1 based on Llama and Quen. So I'll just click on this, and from here you'll see the same basic information, the models available, and if you click on this drop down, there is 1.5B, 7B, 8B, 14B, up to 671B or 671 billion parameters on that. But this is too huge for anyone, so I'm just going to go with this one. And depending on whatever you select, kindly check out the way the code changes here. If I select this, that is how everything changes. If I select 7B, if I select 671B, that is how everything changes right there. So I'll go with 7B, and then all I need to do is just copy this. Once I copy this, I'll need to run it on command prompt right here, and then just paste it right there and press on enter. So now what is going to happen is that it's going to pull the manifest right there, and you can see how fast it's being downloaded and how long it's going to take. So on mine, it's going to take about 10 minutes to be done with this particular download of Ollama DeepSeek R1. So let's give it some time, and once it's done, we're going to come back and see how it works in Subtitle Edit. DeepSeek R1 is almost done downloading via Ollama, and it's just a couple of seconds out from downloading all the contents that we're supposed to be downloading. We downloaded the 7B version, and it's about 4.7 gigabytes. And obviously, depending on your internet connection, this could be a very short time or maybe a long time depending on your internet connection. So it's about a second out, and once it's done, it's going to pull the other details that it needs, all the other files. And once it's done with that, it's verifying, and once it's done, let's see what we get in just a couple of seconds. And there, writing manifest, success. So we can send a message, more or less ask DeepSeek whatever we want. We can ask, what is DeepSeek? So it's thinking. DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Co. Limited, referred to as DeepSeek, or not sure why these question marks are there. Founded in 2023, is a Chinese company dedicated to making AGI a reality. Let's ask a simple math question. What is 2x plus 5 equals to 98? Press on enter. It's going to think. All right. So it gives you a breakdown of how it got to a particular answer. So in this case, what it does is that it gives you the different options available there. Yeah, and you can see the way it solves that particular equation right inside, and the way it comes up. So to solve the equation, it gives you the explanations, and then now gives you a quick or kind of more or less breakdown of what you'd like to see for that particular answer. So that's okay. We can actually close this out. And now that we have Ollama running and we already have DeepSeek R1 model, we can go to Subtitle Edit, and I'm actually just going to close it up and then open it up again right here, and just get a video, open, and then say we go with audio to text whisper, and then let's generate some automatic subtitles, and there we go. Let's make an assumption you want to translate the subtitles. So obviously I'm going to go to auto translate right there, and then go look for Ollama, and from here you can either see your model right here, whatever models that you have, or you can just key it in right inside here. So I've got mine here. That is what I'm going to use, DeepSeek R1 7B. And let's say I want to translate, maybe let's assume to Spanish. I don't know any of the languages here, but I'm assuming it supports Spanish. And then let's just click on translate, and let's see. So a couple of things is that it might take some time. As you've noticed, it has this kind of think feature. It's more or less of a reasoning feature, so it doesn't start to give you the translations instantly, but it may take some time. So I've noticed even Nicolaj has mentioned that it's taking some time. I do believe it's the thinking aspect of it, but for it to work, obviously you have to go through the Ollama installation, the DeepSeek installation, and you can now see this, the translations coming in right there, and then you have to always make sure that Ollama is running right inside there, and obviously there we have it. So I don't know if this is correct, but I think it could be. I don't know. It could be correct. I don't know. But we've tested it out, and simply put, that is how you can download, install, and use DeepSeek R1 to automatically translate subtitles in Subtitle Edit. Some languages will be better than the others. I'm assuming Chinese will be better than maybe translating to other languages. But yeah, and as I've mentioned, I saw this somewhere. I believe it should be somewhere here. I think so. Seems a bit slow on my computer, and it does not really work with Danish, but other languages are hopefully better. So as you can see, it seems it's kind of slow even from the test from Nicolaj, but my thought process is that it's because it's reasoning. But as I mentioned, that's how you can download, install, and use DeepSeek R1 in Subtitle Edit to automatically translate subtitles. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.